Good morning and welcome. This is another one in my Tutti Frutti series. It's just going back to really how I first started doing my acrylic pouring arts. I was always doing them in really bright Tutti Frutti colours. It made me feel uplifted and enjoyed my art so much, even when I had lots of disasters. So I'm running you through this very easy technique, and of course there's a full tutorial on my YouTube channel. But first of all, I started off with the nice bright colours, as in cool red, orange, yellow, metallic gold, what I like to call my berry delicious, which is a nice rich kind of dark cherry look. So this is a very easy art that anybody really can do, and it gives so much joy. It's addictive, sometimes frustrating, but it's a really good time waster. Even if you don't sell your art, to do a small canvas on your own in your little space or with your children or friends is a wonderful pastime. So the full tutorials to my Tutti Frutti series will be up on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to my Facebook page and YouTube. It's absolutely free, and enjoy. So I hope you enjoy this really colourful creation. I'll jump in on the end. Wow, just look at those Tutti Frutti cells popping up just like Tutti Fruttis. So this was really a joy to do, because it was really taking me back in time from where I first, my first videos were these kind of videos. The heat gun, you use a heat gun to make those cells, help the cells pop up, and it also helps the paint absorb into the canvas a little bit better. And of course, the magic balloon, it's just an everyday balloon, just blown up with air and given those lovely balloon kisses. There is lots of tutorials up on my YouTube channel. My links to my products are now available in the US, Canada, and they're made in Australia, is where I reside. So enjoy. Oh, that's my little, it's a normal size balloon, but I fill it with water. It just adds a little bit more depth to the insides of that floral effect. It kind of looks like fireworks on a starry night, this one. Love creating it. It's really lifted my spirit, so I hope it does to you too. So my lovelies, keep watching for the awesome results.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?